Hello traders, today we're gonna do our analysis on the GBP JPY pair on the date of 29 July 2020. Now before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram page. The link is given down below to get free tips and tutorials on forex trading along with our market analysis like the one you're seeing here. Now heading back to the pound yen chart, we are in a higher one-day time frame, and when we zoom out we can see the price formed a beautiful curvature pattern from this point to this point, and then price went up in a proper trend channel like this way, thus indicating an inverted cup and handle pattern is being formed. Now we're going to grab our arc tool from here, then draw a curve from this point to around here. Then we're going to draw a trend channel with our parallel channel tool from this point, connecting the lows like this and like this. So you can see the price formed the inverted cup and the handle pattern right here. Then we're going to grab our volume indicator to fulfill our third requirement for the cup and handle pattern being formed. Now in our volume indicator we can see price after forming the curve pattern. When price was forming the handle pattern, the volume was shrinking, it was getting down and down, but when price broke the handle pattern, there was high volume on the break of the handle pattern. As you can see from this point right here, there was a lot of bearish momentum. Now we're going to add some fib levels to see where the pullback has been after the break of the handle pattern. Now let's grab a fib retracement tool and then let's draw the fib levels from the previous highs. Now we can see the price pulled back to our 0.61 fib level, or the golden zone as we can call it, and we have some beautiful wicks and at this point right here. Then price went down again, probably heading lower. Now to add more confirmations to our trade, we're going to add a trend line on a lower time frame from this point to this point. Now the main reason to draw this trend line is to enter the trade when the price breaks below this trend line. That's going to add further more confirmations on our trade that price is heading for a downtrend move. Now if price don't break below this trend line and tends to go even further, we're going to look at this level again for the price to probably form some sort of double tops pattern and then head down. Now if price doesn't respect this level, then we're going to wait to see some price rejection candlestick patterns being formed at this level. Then we can enter short on this trade, probably setting our stop loss tighter just above the previous highs like around here. That's going to give us a nice risk to reward ratio trade if we enter here. But if you want to play it even safe, then you can wait for the price to break below this trend line right here, and you can enter the trade on the break of this trend line and setting your stop loss just above the previous high like around here. There's also another pattern being formed at this level, that is a bearish flag pattern. If you connect from here to here, then you can see a bearish flag pattern being formed at this level right here. So in summary, we got multiple confirmations for this price to go short. First one is that price formed a beautiful inverted cup and a handle pattern, then price formed another bearish flag pattern, then price retraced to our 0.618 level, then we drew another trend line on a lower time frame to enter the trade on the break of this trend line right here. Anyways guys, if you want more analysis like this one along with our tips and tutorials on forex trading, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us in our Instagram page. But if you want even further advanced training from our team, where we'll be posting our market analysis with much more descriptive way and showing how we trade along with our daily signals, then if you want all of those things, then all you need to do is contact us in our Instagram page and we'll get you started with our mentorship program right away. So that's it for today's video. We wish you good luck in your trading and we'll see you in the next video.